This photo was never meant to move. A still frame, frozen in time, untouched by any camera motion. But what if I told you? This image remembers how it could have moved. The blink that never came. The wind that never blew. The heartbeat, frozen in time. One spark of AI, and it all moves again. No edits, no tricks, just imagination, in motion. You're about to watch a moment that never existed. Come alive. Welcome to NextGen AI Lab, the place where I share the best ways to leverage AI for creativity, work, and online business. Now, I will guide you step by step to take advantage of this tool without spending a penny. First, you go to the toolbar, type Digen.ai, click on the website named Digen.ai. The interface is very simple, similar to Runway or Pika. Here you will see many sample videos created by other users. You can watch it for inspiration or learn how to write prompts. Sometimes you just need to change a small detail to get the video that you need. And you see, the motion effect is extremely smooth, no different from viral videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Okay, now I will do it step by step with you so it's easier to visualize. First, look up at the top right corner of the screen, click on the small avatar icon, then select Continue with Google to log in with your Gmail account. Just choose an account and you're done. No need to fill in anything complicated. While you're logging in, if you find this video useful, then give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextGen AI Lab channel. Every week, I share the latest AI tools, super easy ways to make money online, and tips to automate work intelligently. And the good news is, each new account will be given 300 free credits, equivalent to creating about 10 AI videos without spending a dime. A great deal, right? Now I will guide you on how to make the most of these credits. After registering, you will enter the main interface. Now you can click Create New Video. On the left frame, there will be an Upload Photo button. I will choose a pre-prepared photo. For example, I use a photo of a cat driving a car. Sounds a bit strange, but quite fun. You can use a photo of a person, a virtual character, AI art, etc. Next is the prompt section. That is, you describe the movement you want. If you don't know what to write, you can use the Prompt Suggestions section below. It will automatically fill in the form for you. When finished, choose a 5-second video, free, or 10 seconds, paid. Click the Generate button and wait for the AI to process. About 1 to 2 minutes to complete. In the meantime, you can scroll down to the comments section below this video and leave questions or ideas. I will answer them all. The video is rendered. Look, with just a simple prompt, the cat driving the car has very natural movements. The moment fades, but the imagination doesn't stop here. If you want to see how far AI can dream, join me here at NextGen AI Lab. Hit subscribe and let's imagine the next impossible thing.